Children, I am saying how to draw the heart diagram. This is the second way. First one I said already. So here I will draw the diagram, heart diagram. So first the vessels, blood vessels. So you can identify while I am drawing the which parts I am drawing, because I said already. So these two are the inferior and superior vena caves. Now the triangle shape of the heart. Now draw that opposite question mark I said already, which is nothing but the systemic aorta, which has already 3 branches. So this is the pulmonary artery. So this is the pulmonary artery, and this is systemic aorta, which is continued like this. Now I will draw the chambers. Right auricle, right ventricle, and left auricle, left ventricle. So right auricle, right ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. So this is how you have to draw. Again I will show. And this is the systemic aorta, which continues here as so inferior vena cave, superior vena cave, inferior vena cave, then you draw this systemic aorta, and then this is pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery and right chamber, and here we will draw the valves. A bicuspid valve and semilunar valves. Now we will label the diagram. You know already pulmonary. Now I will label the diagram. This is the pulmonary artery, and this is the systemic aorta, which continues here, systemic aorta. Right, left auricle, left ventricle, right auricle, right ventricle, inferior vena, superior vena cave, inferior vena cave, and here this is the valve which opens, and tricuspid valve. This is the tricuspid valve, valve, and this is the bicuspid valve. and this is the semilunar valves. Semilunar valves. Got how to draw the diagram. Okay, now I will explain the heart diagram. About the heart. Heart is a pumping organ. Heart is a pumping organ which pumps the blood throughout the body. It applies some pressure. All the chambers they apply pressure so that the blood enter in forces to all the parts of the body through the systemic aorta. So what is meant by heart? It is nothing but a pumping organ. So when you come to the structure of the heart, it mainly contains I explained here in the form of a flow chart, and you come to know about the structure of the heart.